All them ones with the one them again, all them fuck with the dumb talking again. All them see with the phone for them, Lord them see, Lord them mess up on them. Lift up that rudder. Strap in the seatbelt because we're going. We're top speed now. Alright, you ready? Get up. Okay. One them once when I want them again, Lord them fuck with the dumb talking again. All them see with the phone for them, God them see, Lord them mess up on them. They my heart, so I'll go for them. On leg, on head, amen. Rastafari never pardon them. Reason I never pardon them for them. Boring. Oh. One them, it's a warning in case when I never know from morning. I don't tell a story, be alone. But the rest of them are all dead and boring. Most of them are just a fit informing. This guy's the name like Jordan. In the street, I just did them on right at the old and they stay cooling like they're boring. Oh. 100 eyes. You tired? You sure? We're just warming. Last verse. Yo, long time we are one of them and never take heed. First we set the precedent and next the prestige. And no competition, why not in our my league? Bad mind all the kill them when they see we set speed. Them not have no styles, so they're quick to start teams. Open up the catalog and see the few things. Never yet form, but they're quick to break the bond. Warn them, but they get hot up with peppercorn. But they're Roger, lift up that saying now. Boring. Hey, before I go, people, I'm an artist, my name is Raga Zulu Rebel. I released 8 albums so far, yeah? I started back in 2007 as a young man, releasing albums. And I retired last year, but I'm still a shot for fire.